Most people walk the Camino looking ahead. In spring, the real magic is at your feet. Walking the Camino de Santiago in spring means walking through flowers. Not in a dramatic postcard way at first, but in quiet, constant moments that slowly change how you walk, how you breathe, and how you think. Along the Meseta, where the land is often described as empty or harsh, wildflowers appear in small rebellions of color. Reds, yellows, purples, and whites break through the dust and stone, reminding you that even the most exposed places are alive. These wildflowers don't ask for attention. You notice them between steps, low to the ground, bending with the wind, surviving where shade is rare and rain is uncertain. As a pilgrim, you begin to slow down without realizing it. Your eyes drop from the horizon to the path itself. Walking becomes less about distance and more about presence. Each step turns into a small act of awareness. As you move through villages and towns, the flowers change. Roses spill from balconies and stone walls, hanging over doorways and narrow streets. Some are carefully tended, others grow wild, climbing ancient facades as if they've always been there. Near Roman bridges, medieval churches, and crumbling monuments. Flowers soften the weight of history. Stone speaks of endurance, but flowers speak of renewal. They remind you that centuries pass, but life continues to bloom in between. In spring, the Camino feels less like a route and more like a living corridor. Poppies line the fields, daisies follow the trail. Lavender and broom scent the air. When the sun warms the day, these small details change the rhythm of the walk. Your pace eases, your shoulders drop, your breathing deepens. Walking becomes meditation. Not because you try to be mindful, but because the landscape invites it. Flowers also shape the emotional experience of the pilgrimage. On difficult days, when feet hurt, when the road feels long, when doubts surface, a sudden burst of color can lift your mood in unexpected ways. They offer quiet encouragement. You're not alone. Beauty exists even here, even now. The Camino doesn't remove hardships, but it balances it with grace. For many pilgrims, these flowers become markers of memory. You may forget exact distances or village names, but you remember the field of red poppies, the rose-covered house, the wildflowers growing beside a centuries-old cross. They become part of the story you carry home, not just of where you walked, but of how you felt. In the end, the flowers of the Camino teach the same lesson the walk itself does. Slow down, pay attention, and trust that growth happens even in difficult places. Step by step, bloom by bloom, the Camino in spring becomes not just a journey across Spain, but a quiet unfolding within.